If you're wondering how your medications are going to affect your disability case, a couple of things you need to keep in mind. First of all, context. You got to make sure that you remember that just the fact that you're taking particular medication in of itself doesn't necessarily mean that you're disabled. Social Security has to look at it in relation to all the other types of treatment that you're receiving. Secondly, over-the-counter versus prescribed. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but Social Security tends to look at over-the-counter medication a little differently than prescribed medication. Over-the-counter, of course, what it means is that you can get it on your own. Prescribed means the doctor has to prescribe it to you. Third, they want to look at it in context with what other treatment you've prescribed. I know I mentioned that the very first thing, but what I mean by that is basically if you've been given other types of treatment regarding your condition, they want to see if you're getting medication because that's the last resort or if that's the only thing they can give to you. So they've got to keep it in that particular context. And then also dosage. A lot of times people focus on the fact that if it's a higher dosage of a particular amount, they think that that is a greater indicator that they're disabled. Not necessarily. It has to be looked at in context with all of your other things. Oh, and one other thing, types of medication. Social Security looks at it from over-the-counter, conservative, non-conservative, to the more significant medication. All that is just gobbledygook to let you know the more significant the medication is, meaning bare aspirin for pain versus morphine sulfate, which is a controlled substance. So Social Security is looking at your medications from those two types of extremes. Remember, you cannot look at medication just by itself as a clear-cut indicator of whether you're disabled. It has to be looked at in conjunction with other things. Hope that helps.